Okay, so we're going to have a look at how to calculate the area of a trapezium. So as we've got written here, the formula for the area of a trapezium is half times h, which is the height, times a plus b. So a is this top length and b is this bottom length. So calculate the area of the following trapezia. So our a is going to be 2 centimetres and our b is going to be 4 centimetres and our h is our height, so that's 2 centimetres. So we're going to do half times 2 times 4 plus 2. So that gives us 6 centimetres squared. This next one, it's got a different orientation, so our A is actually going to be this 3 and our B is going to be this 4. Now our height, remember our height has to be perpendicular to our base, so our height is going to be 2 centimetres. So again we're going to do half times height, so that's 2, times 4 plus 3. So that gives us 7 centimetres squared. So if you pause this video now and have a go at the next two, and I will go through them in a second. Okay, so for this one we've got a slightly different orientation. So our A is going to be this 5 centimetres and our B is going to be 3 centimetres. Our height is 4 centimetres. So we're going to do half times our height, which is 4, times A plus B, so that's 5 plus 3. And that gives us 16 centimetres squared. And for our next one, our A is going to be this 6 centimetres and our B is going to be this 3 centimetres. Our height, now I know we've got two heights on here, but our height has to be perpendicular to our A and B, so that's going to be this 3 centimetres. So I'm going to do half times H, so that's 3, times 6 plus 3. And that gives us 13.5 centimetres squared. So now if you pause this video now and have a go at these questions, I'll give you the answers in a second. And there's the answers for you. Okay, so now we're going to have a quick look at some worded questions. So Jenny wants to paint a wall. Paint costs £2.10 per square metre. How much will it cost? So what we need to do here is work out the area first, because that's going to tell us how many square metres she needs to paint. So we're going to say area equals, now it's a trapezium, so again we need to find that A and that B. So, and our height is 3, so it's going to be half times 3 times 5 plus 7, which gives us 18 metres squared. But we're not finished there, so what we need to do is find our cost. So if it's £2.10 per square metres, then we need to multiply that £2.10 by the number of square metres. So we're going to do cost equals 2.1, or £2.10, times 18, and that gives us £37.80. Now if you have a go at this one yourself, and I'll go through it in a second. So Jack wants to put grass on his garden. Grass seeds cost £1.80 per square metre. How much will it cost? So again, we need to find this area. So our A is going to be this 6 metres and our B is going to be this 8 metres. And our height is going to be 4 metres. So we're going to say area equals half times our height, which is 4, times 6 plus 8, which gives us 28 metres squared. And again, we need to find our cost from that. So we're going to say cost equals, and it's £1.80 per square metre. So we're going to multiply £1.80, 1.8, times the number of square metres, so 28. And that gives us £50.40.